ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 359. So 7 types of annam. Saptannani Pita Ajanayat. He created 7 types of annam. Ekam Sadharanam, Dve Devebhyah, Ekam Pashubhyah, and Trini Atmane. The 3 for oneself. Manaha, Vak, Pranam. So in that, Vak Prakran is being completed, right? In that, in Tika, the 4th line, Swapara Nirvahakastu. After that, there should be space. Swapara Nirvahakastu Shabdaha, not tu Shabdaha. Swapara Nirvahakaha tu Shabdaha. So Shabda is Swapara Nirvahakaha. What is Swapara Nirvahaka? So I will explain. Swapara Nirvahaka means Swasya Nirvahaka Parasya api Nirvahakaha iti Swapara Nirvahakaha. It takes care of itself, it takes care of others also in whatever thing that is to be done. For example, in Veda, this is the example we have seen in Artha Sangraha. Swadhyayo Adhyatavyaha. This Vakya says one should study Veda Swashakha. Swashakha Adhyanam Kartavyam. Where is it said? In Veda. How will I know that I have to do Swashakha Adhyanam? When I do Veda Adhyanam. So to know that I have to do Adhyanam, I have to do Adhyanam. In other words, some other instruction is to be there which will tell me I should study Swadhyaya Adhyatavya Vakya. Then when I study Swadhyaya Adhyatavya, I understand I have to study Swashakha, Swaveda Shakha. So some other Vakya is required. If you go in this way, that Swashakha Adhyanam requires another Veda Vakya. For that Veda Vakya, I will need another Veda Vakya because everything is Apaurushaya. So another Veda Vakya, there will be Anavastha dosha. So to avoid this, it is said Swadhyaya Adhyatavya is Swanirvahaka, Paranirvahaka also. You don't need another instruction which will say you should study Veda. Or you should study Swadhyaya Adhyatavya Vakya. That Swadhyaya Adhyatavya Vakya says you should study me also and you should study Veda also. So everything is covered in one Vakya only. You don't need two. This is Swapara Nirvahakata Drishtanta. Like that here, Shabdaha. If I want to reveal Ghataha, I will have to say Ghata, that Ghata is a Shabdaha. Pata is a Shabdaha. If I say Shabdaha, Shabda is also a Shabdaha. It is Swanirvahaka also. And that Shabda is also Paranirvahaka, like it will do nirvahanam of Ghata, Pata, Ityadi, Anya Vastu also. So it is Swanirvahaka, Paranirvahaka. So in the context that we were seeing, that Vak is Swaprakashika, not Prakashya. That was the Vakya, right? Prakashika api Vak, Prakashya Chet. In the Tika, second line, Prakashika api Vak, Prakashya Chet, Tatrapi Prakashakantaram, Eshtavyam, iti Anavastha Syad. Then Anavastha would happen. So to avoid Anavastha, Vak is Swapara Nirvahaka or Nirvahika, Strilinga. तन निरासार्थम एषा ही नेति न इति श्रुति ही, दैट न इति मीन्स न प्रकाश्य. वाक इज नॉट प्रकाश्य, इट इज ओनली प्रकाशिका. स्पष्टम? यस, कल yesterday this question was raised. For this drishtanta in Vedanta, this swapara nirvahaka, I gave you Mimamsa drishtanta. For Vedanta, what is the drishtanta? We say this Jagat is because of Adhyasa. And Adhyasa is Avidya Karyam. Adhyasa is Avidya Karyam. Because of Avidya, there is Adhyasa. Between Atma and Avidya, what is the Sambandha?
Adhyasa.
Adhyasa. Between Atma and Avidya also Adhyasa should happen, then Adhyasa will come. Right? Avidya Karyam is Adhyasa. When we say Avidya Karyam means Avidya will produce Adhyasa. But that Adhyasa, Avidya by itself cannot do anything. Avidya needs Atma. So Atma, Avidya, between them there is Adhyasa. That will produce Adhyasa for everything else. So this Adhyasa is Swapara Nirvahaka. For its Utpatti also, Adhyasa is there. How Adhyasa comes? Because of Adhyasa. How Adhyasa is there? Because of Adhyasa. In this way, Vedanta has accepted. Otherwise, you will have to find another Karanam in this way. Okay, now, Tika, further. आध्यात्मिक प्राण विषयं वाक्यम अवतार्य व्याकरोति. आध्यात्मिक प्राण विषयं वाक्यम अवतार्य. आध्यात्मिक प्राण, so prana, which is in the form of prana, apana, vyana, udana, samana. And if it is adi bhautika prana, means vayu, and adi daivika prana means hiranyagarbha. In this way, prana itself, Shabda can be used in different contexts for different things. Atha prana uchyate. Now, prana is being discussed. Atha, 1 number tippani, Vang manasayoho pravibhagashah सम्यक् व्याख्यानानन्तरं तयोर्विधारकः प्राणो व्याख्यायते इत्यर्थः. वांग एंड मनः, देर प्रविभागशः सम्यक् व्याख्यानानन्तरं. प्रविभागशः, so of them विशेषण विभाग. प्रविभाग, प्रविभागशः सम्यक् means they are separately defined, each of them. Samyak Vyakhyananantaram Tayor Vidharakaha, the one who is holding Vang and Manaha is Prana. Prano Vyakhyayata Ityarthaha. प्राणो मुखनासिका संचार्या हृदय वृत्ति ही प्रणयनात् प्राणः. What is prana? Mukhanasikha sancharya hridaya vritti. That hridaya vritti which is there in mukha and nasika. Mukha nasika sancharya hridaya vritti. It is there in the hridaya. Means it comes up to here. In Tika it is explained. Mukhadau sancharya sancharan arha. हृदय संबंधिनी या वायुवृत्ति ही तत्र प्राण शब्द प्रवृत्तौ निमित्तम आह. संबंधिनी, सम अनुस्वार. मुखादौ संचार्या, दैट विच है संचरणम इन मुखादि. संचरण अर्हा, संचार्या मीन संचरण अर्हा, संचरण योग्य. एंड हृदय संबंधिनी या वृत्ति, दैट वृत्ति विच है संबंध विथ हृदयम, हृदय संबंधिनी या वृत्ति. तत्र प्राण शब्द प्रवृत्ति. So that is where prana shabda pravritti happens. Prana shabda pravrittau nimittam kim? Nimittam aha pranayanat prana. Because of pranayanam. What is pranayanam? Purato nissaranat iti. Puratah, through the mouth. So it comes out in front. That is why it is called prana. Purato pranayanat. Nissaranat iti pranayanat prana. Next is apana. अपनयनान मूत्र पुरुषादेर अपानो अधोवृत्ति ही आनाभिस्थानः. अपनयनान मूत्र पुरुषादेह, दैट विच इज डूइंग अपनयनम ऑफ मूत्र पुरुष इत्यादि. अपानो अधोवृत्ति ही, दैट विच इज गोइंग डाउन. अधोवृत्ति ही आनाभिस्थानः, फ्रॉम नाभिस्थान onwards down. This is apana. इंटिका हृदयाद अधोदेशे वृत्तिरस्या इति अधोवृत्ति ही आनाभिस्थानो. हृदयाद अधोदेशे वृत्तिरस्या इति अधोवृत्ति ही आनाभिस्थानो हृदयाद आरभ्य नाभि पर्यंतम वर्तमान इति यावत्. हृदयाद अधोदेशे वृत्ति ही, फ्रॉम हृदय दैट विच गोज डाउन. हृदयाद अधोदेशे वृत्ति अस्य इति अधोवृत्ति ही आनाभिस्थानः, that which is all the way up to नाभिस्थान. हृदयाद आरभ्य नाभि पर्यंतम. आंग नाभिस्थानः, आंग मर्यादा अभिविधौ In when Maryada Artha is there, including or excluding? And Maryada Abhividhi. So here which Artha is there? Abhividhi. Ang Maryada Abhividhau. So Nabhi Sthanam is also included. Nabhi Paryant, Hridayad Arabhya, Nabhi up to Nabhi included. Vartamana is Apana Vayu. Vyayamanam, Pranapanayor Niyamanam, Karma Asya iti Tathoktaha. In Bhashya, Vyano, Vyayamana Karma, Vyanaha, Pranapanayoho, Sandhir, Viryavat Karma Hetushcha. What does Vyana Vayu do? Vyayana Karma, Vyanaha. How will you do Vigraha? Samasa Vigraha?
व्यायमनं कर्म यस्य सः व्यायमन कर्म
Vyayam. Everybody is making one mistake. Vyayamanam karma yasya saha vyayamana karmaha. Karma, visarga is there, lopa is there. Like anyatra manaha, like that. Vyayamana karma, because pulling. Vyana vayu is pullinga shabda, that's why. Karma is napunsakalinga. See in Tika they have given Vyayamanam Pranapanayor Niyamanam Karma Asya Iti Tathoktaha. Tathoktaha means Vyayamana Karma. So that Vayu which does this karma of Prana and Apana Niyamanam controls. What should go up should go up. What should go down should go down. If things are not in order, Vyana Vayu is not doing its work. Like this vomiting, etc. is Vyana Vayu work. What should not come up is coming up now, like that. And Sandhi Viryavat Karma Hetuscha. Pranapanayoho Sandhir Viryavat Karma Hetuscha. Between Prana and Apana, Sandhi means that which is in the middle of both. And Viryavat Karma Hetu. Viryavat Karma means when you have to show your strength. When you have to show your strength means, let's say if somebody says, we have to move this big object from here to that side. So how people will move? Then they will hold and they'll push until that breath is there. This is Vyanavayu. That is what is given here. Viryavat Karma Hetu. A lot of strength is required. Or if you have to climb something also, you fill the air and then you run until once that air is gone, then you slow down. Tika. Viryavat karma. What is the next shabda? Viryavat in Tika. Viryavat karma in Aranya means in forest. Agni Utpadanam. Then
कर्माः अन्याम् अग्नि उत्पादन.
Where is karma? Huh?
Refa ra will change into visarga.
And then anyam. What is anyam? Aranyam. Aranya here means arani. In the arani, agni utpadanam requires virya. Virya, but karma is aranyam, means in the arani. Arani you all know for agni utpadanam. Aranyam. Aranyam Shabda is correct, but Artha is not forest. Aranya here means Arani. Aranyam. Agni Utpadanadi. This is the Viryavat Karma. Means this requires lot of effort. Somebody may say they were spending time in all so much thing. We know so many useful things. We don't spend time in Agni Utpadanam. We use some matchstick or something. Udana. भाष्य उदान उत्कर्षोर्ध्व गमनादि हेतुर आपादतलमस्तक स्थान ऊर्ध्व वृत्ति स्थान ऊर्ध्व वृत्ति उदान वायु इज उत्कर्ष ऊर्ध्व गमनादि हेतु ऊर्ध्व गमन मीन्स गोइंग अप ऊर्ध्व गमनादि हेतु आपादतल मस्तक स्थान It is from all the way tip of the toe to the head, end of the head, all the way. Apadatal mastaka sthana urdhva vritti. Tika utkarsho dehe pushtihi. Utkarsha here means for the pushti in the deha. That also, this is something which we don't study in Tattvabodha, etc. This is new. Dehe pushtihi, utkarsha. That means somebody is putting on weight. That means Udana Vayu is working more. Suddenly it will become too active. That's why Adipadena Utkranti Rukta. Then Utkranti also can happen. Utkarsha is there and Utkranti also. Samanaha. Next page. Samanaha. Samam Nayanat. Bhuktasya Pitasya cha Koshthasthano Annapakta. Samanam is Samam Nayanat Samanaha. What does it do? Bhuktasya Pitasya cha. Whatever I eat, whatever I drink. Koshthasthano Annapakta. It is the cook. Koshtha means Jatharam. Literal meaning of Koshtha is Jathara. Means stomach. In simple words, if you want, stomach. Koshthasthano. Annapakta. It is the cook. Saman Vayu will do cooking. Means it will make everything homogeneous. You put dal, chawal, whatever, sabji, everything. It will become same. No distinction. Sama Bhagavan's Rachana. Tika. प्राण शब्देन अनशब्दस्य पुनरुक्तिम आशंक्य आह. In mantra, all these prana, apana, vyana, udana, they are explained. Then ana is also given, that ana is sadharana for all. So prana shabda, everything is said. Now why ana shabda? Ana shabda is punarukti. Punaruktim ashankyaha. Ana ityesham vritti visheshanam samanya bhuta. सामान्य देह चेष्टा अभिसंबंधिनी वृत्ति. अन is वृत्ति विशेषाणाम सामान्य भूता वृत्ति. Simple if you want to know this much. वृत्ति विशेषas are what? Prana, apana, vyana, udana, saman. सामान्य भूता वृत्ति is ana. Ana is samanam, in common in all. Upasargas are different. Ana is there. Ana is Vayu Samanyam in 1 number tippani, and 2nd number tippani Sarvanugata. Ana dhatu is pranane. सामान्य देह चेष्टा अभिसंबंधिनी वृत्ति. Another Visheshan is given, Samanya Bhuta and Samanya Deha Cheshta Abhisambandhini. That which is associated with Samanya Deha Cheshta. Any other blinking of the eyes, moving of the hands, any activity that is happening at the level of body, prana is required. So, Ana is that Samanya Vritti. So that's why we have Pancha Prana, then Pancha Upaprana, etc. to accomplish all this. Yawning happened. It is some activity at the body level, eyes blinking or tears rolling down. Some pranas are working. एवं यथोक्तं प्राणादि वृत्ति जातम एतत् सर्वम प्राण एव. एवं in this way यथोक्तं प्राणादि वृत्ति जातम, प्राणादि वृत्ति समूहम, एतत् सर्वम, all this is called prana. Means this is the third annam of the seventh one. In this way, all of them are explained. In mantra, how it is given, prano, pano, vyana, udana, on page 355, samano. Then ana iti etat sarvam prana eva. Prano, apano, vyana, udana, samana is given. Then ana iti etat sarvam prana eva. Okay. So now see Purva Paksha. तथापि तृतीयस्य प्राण शब्दस्य ताभ्यां पुनरुक्ति इत्याशंक्याः. तथापि, now what is तथापि? Already when, see, prana, apana, vyana, udana, saman, they were mentioned. Then he said ana. So when ana was mentioned, Purvapakshi said this is punarukti. Siddhanti said this is not punarukti. These are all vishesha vrittis. This ana is samanya vritti which is there in all. Now he says okay. Even if that is okay, tathapi, yadyapi अनः इति येषां वृत्तिविशेषणां सामान्यभूता सामान्य देह चेष्टा अभिसंबंधिनी वृत्तिः. तथापि तृतीयस्य प्राण शब्दस्य, now third prana shabda has come, that's why we read the mantra, right? Pranapana, then ana, then prana. So तृतीयस्य प्राण शब्दस्य ताभ्यां पुनरुक्तिः, then the third prana is there now. That is punarukti iti ashankyah. Bhashya. Everybody understood what? That's why I told you to see 355 page number where it is given ana iti etat sarvam prana eva. That prana. Prana iti. प्राण इति वृत्तिमान आध्यात्मिको अन उक्तः। भाई प्राण वृत्तिमान आध्यात्मिको अन, आध्यात्मिक प्राण is mentioned, this third prana इति वृत्तिमान आध्यात्मिको अन उक्तः। इन टीका साधारण असाधारण वृत्तिमान प्राण इति अपौनरुक्त्यम इत्यर्थः। साधारण एंड असाधारण वृत्तिमान प्राण आध्यात्मिको अन उक्तः। Here we have election. So this is the phalam for so you all heard some Bhagavad Gita also in between. प्राण इति वृत्तिमान आध्यात्मिको अन उक्तः। टीका सो इट इज साधारण एंड असाधारण वृत्तिमान। मनस्सो दर्शनादिवत वाचो अभिधेय प्रकाशन वच्च प्राणस्यापि कार्यं वक्तव्यम इति आशंका है। So prana, actually Tippanikar has made it easier. Prana is, the tritiya prana shabda is prakrita vritti vishesha paramarshi. It is just doing paramarsha of this prana. Etat sarvam prana eva, in this way. Then the question is raised, manasaha, you gave the swarupam karyam, vak also swarupam karyam. So prana also, you have to say what is the swarupam. Manaso darshanadivat, vacho abhideya prakashanavaccha, pranasyapi karyam. What is the karyam of vacha? Only prakashanam. You see, it is given there. Abhideya prakashanavat. Manaso karyam darshanadi. Correct? Everybody is following. This is given there. Manaso karyam darshanadi. Vacha karyam abhideya prakashanavad. Like that, pranasya karyam api vaktavyam. इति चेत कर्म च अस्य अस्य कर्म अस्य कार्यम प्राणस्य कार्यम किम प्राणस्य कर्म किम वृत्ति भेद प्रदर्शनेन एव व्याख्यातम. We have already we have explained what is prana doing, apana doing, everything is explained. टीका एतन्मय इति अत्र मयटो विकारार्थत्वं वृत्त संकीर्तन पूर्वकं कथयति. एतन्मयः, this prana is etanmaya. Iti atra mayato vikararthatvam. Mayat pratyay is for vikara. Vikarartham vrutta sankirtana purvakam kathayati. What is already said, vrittam means kathitam. Tatsya sankirtana purvakam kathayati. व्याख्यातानि आध्यात्मिकानि मनोवाक् प्राणाख्यानि अन्नानि एतन्मय एतद्विकारः प्राजापत्यैः एतैर्वाङ् मनः प्राणैरारब्धः. व्याख्यातानि आध्यात्मिकानि, आध्यात्मिकानि आर व्याख्यातानि, मनोवाक् प्राणाख्यानि अन्नानि. So these are आध्यात्मिक अन्न. एतन्मयः एतद्विकारः प्राजापत्यैः एतैः वाङ् मनः प्राणैः आरब्धः. These three आरब्धः by प्राजापत्यैः. So mayat pratyahar is vikara. So all this is vikara. Etan vikara vangmana pranaihi arabdha. All the vikara, because it said etan sarvam prana eva. So means all this is vikara of prana, vangmana, etc. टीका आध्यात्मिकानां वागादीनां आरंभकत्वं वारयति. So did everything start from vak, manah, prana? You say no. Arambhakatvam is not there. Arambhakatvam is in Prajapati. Prajapatyehi. That's why. Prajapatyehi arabdha. Arambhakatvam is there. आरब्ध स्वरूपम प्रश्न पूर्वकम अनंतर वाक्येन निर्धारयति. आरब्ध स्वरूपम प्रश्न पूर्वकम अनंतर वाक्येन. सो कह असौ अयम. Who is this one who started all this? वह कौन है? In Hindi they have given. So the answer is given now. को असो अयम कार्यकरण संघात आत्मा पिंड आत्मस्वरूपत्वेन अभिमतो अविवेकिभिः. दिस इज कार्यकरण संघात आत्मा पिंड आत्मस्वरूपत्वेन अभिमतः. अविवेकी दे थिंक दिस पिंड इज मी, दिस कार्यकरण संघात इज मी. सो वास्तव दिस इज संघात ओनली. At the most with Chaitanya you say this is Jiva. In that Atma Buddhi is there only for Aviveki Purusha. कार्यकरण संघाते कथम आत्म शब्द प्रवृत्ति इत्याशंक्याः आत्मस्वरूपेण अभिमतो अविवेकिभिः. Why do you use Atma Shabda in कार्यकरण संघात? Because Avivekis use it, so it is used in that way. वांगमय इत्यादि वाक्यस्य पूर्वेण पौनरुक्त्यम आशंक्याः. वांगमय इत्यादि वाक्य इस पुनरुक्ति पूर्वेण पौनरुक्त्यम आशंक्याः. सो वांगमयः मनोमयः प्राणमयः, that is given at the end. Ayam atma Vangmaya Manomaya. So you say Etanmaya, you already said, then why you have to say Vangmaya Manomaya? This is Punarukti, that is the objection. He says Avisheshena Etanmaya, Visheshena Vangmaya Manomaya Pranamaya. Avisheshena Etanmaya iti uktasya, Visheshena Vangmayo Manomaya Pranamaya iti Sputikaranam, Spashtikaranam. In this way it is explained. So with this, third mantra is over. Now the mantras are, there is not much explanation for some mantras at least. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sudrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.